If you're looking to add closed captions or transcripts to your videos, you're in the right place. In this quick 3-minute tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to do that without wasting time. Stick around till the end because I'll also be sharing an exclusive free trial for some software that makes the entire process way easier. First, let's talk about why closed captions are so important. Not only do they make your videos accessible for people who are deaf or hard of hearing, but they also help boost your SEO, making it easier for people to find your content. Plus, transcripts can help your viewers follow along or even be translated into different languages. So, it's worth adding them to your workflow. Now, to add closed captions or transcripts, we'll need software that can automatically generate them. There are a few tools out there, but the one we'll be using today is designed to save you time and effort. You can upload your video and within minutes, it'll generate captions for you. The software will transcribe everything it hears, and you'll be able to make any necessary edits before finalizing it. It's that easy. Once your captions are generated, you can sync them to the video timeline. This ensures they match what's being said at the right time. You can fine-tune the timing if needed, but most software does a pretty good job of getting it right. If you want to use the transcript for other purposes, like creating blog posts or for translation, the software can usually export it in multiple formats, like .txt or .srt, so you can choose what works best for your needs. This means you're covered whether you need a simple transcript or full-on subtitles. The process is simple. Upload, edit, and export. In just a few minutes, you'll have closed captions or transcripts ready to go. Remember, I've tried a lot of different tools for adding closed captions, and this software stands out in terms of ease of use and accuracy. If you want to follow along with me, check out the exclusive free trial in the description below. It's only available to viewers of my channel, so make sure to grab it while you can. The key takeaway here is that adding closed captions or transcripts to your videos is not only easy, but it's also a must for improving accessibility and boosting your SEO. To summarize, upload your video, let the software generate captions, make any edits you need, and export. It's that simple. Finally, don't forget to take advantage of that exclusive free trial in the description. I highly recommend it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.